What's up guys, Thayer here. I'm going to teach you how to toboggan today. So toboggans are one of my favorite tricks. So a toboggan is when you take your hand off, grab your seat, and turn your bars in the air, and then lift your bike up to make it look super easy. The first step to a toboggan is knowing how to one-hander, because most of the toboggan trick is a one-hander. First start learning one-handers by taking your fingers off and just wiggling them a little bit. And then start taking your thumb off like this, just sprawl it over your bars. At your comfort zone, start taking it off more and more until it's back here. The next step is gonna be to take your hand off and slap your thigh in the air, so just go like that. Okay, so this will get you ready for the seat grab, which is where you let go and grab your seat like so. And then from there, you just start slowly turning your bar a little bit more and more. And then, so your bar will be there if you move your hand back into place. Now that you have the basic fundamentals down, such as one-handers and seat grabs, it is time to talk about what is a good jump and what is not a good jump. This hip is an example of not a good jump. That wall ride is an example of not a good jump. This sucks. To the good jump. This is an example of a good jump. It's a straight air, no hip, and a slight step up. This would be perfect for learning toboggan. Thanks for watching How to Toboggan. This was Sideways Living MTV. Best of luck to you. Peace out.